This video shows you how to do Chapter 13 of the residential textbook. Chapter 13 is about rendering. So the first thing you're going to want to do to create an exterior rendering is open the first floor plan. And now under this drop down, you can click Camera. And now you can see my mouse looks like a camera. I'm going to zoom out a little bit here. And I'm going to place it over here in the corner. And now just drop it somewhere around here. And it automatically opens this window for you. So this is what your first camera view is going to look like. This is not the best view, so what you will want to do is go back to your first floor and edit this camera. Now, if you happen to click off of it, the camera's gone. So if you need to get it back, the easiest thing you can do is go back. And what you have just done is you created a new 3D view, which is this. So I'm going to right click and say Show Camera, and it brings this back up. So I'm going to tile my views, which I suggest you do that too. And what I want you to notice is, first of all, you can make it so that you can see more of your house just by clicking your crop regions over here in your 3D view. But more importantly, what I want you to notice is here where in your floor plan view, you can, if I drag this back, you'll see that part of the house gets cut off. And that's because this basically dictates how far back you see in your house. Now this is a little bit too steep on the house, in my opinion. So I'm going to rotate my camera. It's almost like picking up your camera and moving it. And now you can see I'm getting a better angle on my house here. So you want to move your camera around until it looks something like this. The other thing I want you to notice is I'm going to open the north view, an elevation view basically. And I'm just going to tile this. And here's our 3D view, what's going to be our rendered image. I just want you to see, if you go to an elevation view, oh, I clicked off of that. Just like before, I'm going to right click and say Show. And if you want to make it look like your camera's higher up, you can just go to your elevation view and click it. And now you can see it looks more like we're looking a little bit down upon the house, almost like from a drone view. So if you want to rotate left and right, you come to your floor plan view, and up and down is your elevation view. I would not mess with it in this view because it's really hard to know what exactly you're controlling because you're in 3D space here. Now, one thing the textbook wants you to do is change a material. I'm going to zoom in on my 3D view so that you can see this. And if you go to the first floor plan and click on your fireplace, what it wants you to do is change the material of the fireplace. Okay, so now I'm going to go into Edit Type. If I scroll down here, hold on. And hold on a second. All right, I'm going to do this one more time. Edit Type. And if I scroll down here, here it is, Exterior Material. So you're going to change this. Oh, cleanup song. Sorry about that. Okay, so we now have the material browser open. You want to click on Appearance. Okay, and then you're going to click on this name so that you can select a new one. And it wants you to pick, might be easier if I put this into a list view. And they want brick, non-uniform, running red, this one. To be honest, though, you can pick a different one if that's what you like better. I just want to see that you changed it. And so now you can see it's a little bit different than what it was. You can hit OK.